In today's video, I am going to teach you how to optimize your Notion to prepare for internship application season. To get started, open Notion and go to the page called Getting Started. This is a helpful home base because it gives you quick access to key Notion features, including templates. Once you are there, look to the left side navigation and click Explore. Explore takes you into the template marketplace, where you can find ready-made systems for common workflows, including internship applications. Next, click on Search. Using Search is the fastest way to find a template without scrolling through categories. In the search bar, type Highlight. As you type, Notion will filter results in real time, so pause for a moment to let the options populate and become easier to spot. In the results, click on Internship Tracker. This should bring you to a category or collection of templates related to organizing internship applications. From there, select Internship Application Tracker. Before you add it, take a second to scan the template preview so you understand what you are importing into your workspace. A good tracker usually includes space for company names, roles, deadlines, and statuses, which helps you stay consistent across every application. Now click Add again to add the template to your Notion workspace. Notion may ask where you want to place it, and this is where organization matters. Choose New Team Space so your internship materials live in a dedicated area, separate from classes, personal notes, or other projects. Keeping it isolated makes it easier to focus and faster to find what you need when deadlines stack up. After selecting the New Team Space option, click Highlight. This step confirms the location or workspace choice so the tracker lands in the right place. Then click Internship Application Tracker one more time to finalize the add and open it inside your Notion setup. Once it appears, you are ready to start using the tracker as your central hub throughout application season. Keep it as the single source of truth. Update it right after you submit an application, and you will avoid losing track of progress. And that is all there is to it.